up, guys? Welcome back to another motor vlog. Oh, I hate those bumps. So yeah, guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys my bike at night with the LEDs on. So I know I never did an actual full like show of the LED lights on the bike. I know I did a video about installing them, plus I'm gonna redo that video too. I know it's a bit too long and I didn't show exactly how I did it. I literally did a install over the winter, and at the time I was not even doing YouTube yet. So but yeah, I'm thinking about redoing that video, how to install your LED lights on the R3. If you guys are interested with the lights later on, let me know in the comments. But yeah, guys, if you like this kind of content, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. That literally lets me know that you guys like these videos and my content that I'm putting out on the R3. And hopefully this vlog will come out okay. I know earlier I did a video on my Yamaha R3 43 code 46 engine code, and the camera was falling off. I had to redo the mount. I had to 3M it. Hopefully this will be pretty okay. And the plus, I moved the camera up. I know the video was coming down really low on the bike, but yeah, at the same time I think it's gonna come out okay, because I'm showing the bike that it turns off, turns back on. But on that one, the actual bike did actually turn off. It was turning off and on me because of the it ended up being the battery. So if you guys want to see that video, it should be the end of this video, or probably I put it up here for one of the cards. But yeah, hopefully I can get that video out pretty quick, and this one too. I'm trying to do more content. So alright, guys, so let me go fuel up, get some gas, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, so got gas. Let me find a good spot to show you guys the bike. Is it raining? There's no clouds. It is getting dark, so hopefully the video comes out pretty okay. I still have Pro Tune on, but I do have the ISO all the way up to 1600, so it should be getting some good light. Hopefully it shouldn't be too grainy. It's a GoPro, so woo. Oh yeah, guys, just so I'll let you know, if you want to know the update of my tires, I'm gonna make a video about it. Let me know exactly what you want to know, so I can answer your questions. But they're doing pretty well, way better than my old ones. Alright, guys, I had to stop for a bit. I needed to change some settings on the GoPro. It was getting too dark, and I think the footage was getting too dark to see. At the same time, I turned on the lights and adjusted the GoPro. I knew it was a bit off kilter. I think it was leaning to the left, so hopefully it should be straight now. But yeah, guys, you can see, so the lights, it's kind of like a light blue. There's multicolored ones, so I have that one. It's just not the one single color. I have multiple, and switch it back and forth. I'll show you guys the different settings and the different colors it has. I love the look of it, but the downside of the LED lights, battery died. And at the same time, I do have a GPS tracker, so that's always on. So, well, pretty much anything electronic, it kind of kills the battery. There's a what's it called? Parasitic draw. Alright guys, I have a place that I'm thinking about to show you guys the bike and show you the colors. So at the same time, it's a parking lot that I can go to the store. So kinda a twofer. So show you the bike and do some grocery shopping. Alright guys, here we go. Let me show you guys the bike. But yeah, here we go. We got the front. You can literally see straight inside. The lights in the back right there in the front. I even have lights underneath the headlamps, so shining down on top of this. So got a shot view right here. You can see the light going in by the engine, the bottom, even the back tire showing. I even have a light back behind this frame. I'll go to the other side so you guys see it. So here we go. You can literally see everything on this side. Like, I like the way it looks. The light coming from the front here. The light showing down to the ground. Like, it's not a big spot in the bottom showing, so it's like showing to the actual inside of the bike. So it's pretty nice. You guys see right there the light showing this way. So I planned this out pretty well to that if I have the bike standing on the kickstand, it'll be showing from the inside down here. So, but yeah guys, so let me show you the lights. At the same time, I'm trying to do this quick as possible so it won't drain the battery. So let me see. So here's a whiter bluish, white. It's like a purplish, but yeah, here we go. Different colors. So there's the different mode flashing, all of them. Now there's dimmable ones that it goes light to bright like this. So it will change colors, but it'll fade in and fade out. It's pretty nice. But you gotta guys gotta make sure that your state allows LED lights. I know some they don't allow it at all, some they do, and some you're not allowed to use blues or reds on the bike while you're going on the road. If it's show, it's fine, but if you're using like a red or blue, yeah, it's like a cop thing. So here's the flashing ones. You could do individual flashing, so it's just it goes throughout all the colors, then all of them flash. Now back to normal, just a solid color. Right now I got white, the reds, so I could go right through all of them. So yeah guys, here's the bike with the colors, LED lights. So here's the remote. Just go right through them. Pick the color you want. I'm gonna go with that one right there. So at the same time, it goes with the front LED. So let me turn on the bike. Hopefully it turns on. There we go. So you kind of see it matches the front. Hopefully it's not too bright. Ooh, hopefully not. But yeah, guys. Actually, no, it does match. Let me go white. Okay, flash. There. So white. I'm gonna change up the headlamps. Gonna make a separate video about that. I'm gonna have hits. I always want to have hits. I could go with LED lights, but I like the color of the actual hits. HIDs, people call them. But I like how it turns on. It takes a minute to warm up and it goes up. I like the way how it goes. And but yeah, guys, literally I got everything to match. Even the halo turn signals. Even the rear is integrated, so it flashes the back to the front. So I made a video about the turn signals, the rear. Probably not thorough. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Alright guys, let me head back home, finish up this vlog. And the bike, I was gonna go to the store, but I forgot. I don't have my mask, and probably they're closed because I don't see no cars. But alright guys, let's go back on the road and finish up this vlog. Well, motovlog. Well yeah guys, so what do you think about the lights? Good, bad? It has some advantages and some disadvantages. Like I said, the disadvantage is a parasitic draw. Pretty much any bike. I need to keep it in a battery tender, like over the winter. You're not gonna ride it like all week long. Maybe longer than 2 weeks. Keep it charged. Keep it on that battery tender so it won't kill the battery. But yeah guys, but the advantages of the LED lights, the way I was thinking when I bought them, because when I used to work at night, I got them as a safety precaution, that if I'm riding at night, like right now, people won't see me because the bike is dark. And I'd rather be safe on the highway or on the roads, on the back woods. I have my lights on, people will see me. So I actually had a couple of occasions that I'm riding, I think, back home from work, and there's cars that literally just trying to merge in front of me, and when they actually saw my lights flashing, because I gonna flash the lights or change the mode, they actually saw me as they pulled away, and that was at least a couple of times already. So I'm glad that I have them. So like I said, I got them as a safety precaution. Other people would just get them as like decorative. They're nice to have. It looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. And yeah, it makes your bike your bike. You mod it out the way you want to, and yeah. But yeah guys, I think this video is getting too long, but I'm coming close to the house, so I'll leave you guys here. I guess I keep on saying, subscribe if you like this content, give it a like, leave a comment in the bottom. I'm always down there. I like to talk to you guys about the videos. Hopefully it helped out some people, and hit that notification bell. keep you notified about my videos coming up. But yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.